Oh, come on, Gene.
But God, it is ice cold.
Come over here.
It's not just pretending to be cold. Pretending to be cold. It's actually very cold.
No. It's not.
I think if I go right over there, it would be deep enough to take it.
I wouldn't do that.
Say the magic word. Yes. Yeah. That's right. It took such a long way to walk. All right. Over the boat. Yeah. I just got to get there. It's so cold though. All right. What was on the other side? I'm in the waterfall, everybody! I'm in the waterfall, yeah! Oh. God! Okay. Oh, it's cold. Oh, God. Ah! Jeez. Ah! Did you get that?